Are on the record in case 25 CRI 109, caption State of Ohio versus Tommy Norris. Here for purposes of a bond setting on a complaint that was filed earlier today. Defendants present. We are conducting this hearing by video. Appearing on behalf of the State of Ohio, Prosecuting Attorney James Reese. Mr. Norris, just for the record, you did get a copy of your charges.
Yes, ma'am.
The court has to go over that with you. There's one count in the complaint of burglary, a felony of the third degree. Reads on or about July 12, 2025 in Ashland County, Ohio. Tommy Norris did by fourth stealth or deception trespass in an occupied structure or in a separately secured or separately occupied portion of an occupied structure with purpose to commit in the structure or separately secured or a separately occupied portion of the structure any criminal offense to wit theft 291302 in violation of Ohio Revised Code Section 291112A3, 291112D, burglary, a felony of the third degree. Do you understand what's being alleged in the complaint?
Yes, ma'am.
You have certain rights in this. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say during the course of the hearing could be used against you at future hearings. You have the right to have an attorney, and you have the right to a court-appointed attorney if you cannot afford to hire your own and if you qualify. There's a $25 fee for court-appointed counsel. You have the right to have a preliminary hearing, which is a probable cause hearing since you're charged by complaint. And you have the right to have a trial to have the state prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt to 12 jurors. Do you understand those rights as I've explained them to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you want to be represented by an attorney?
Yes.
Okay. Did you want me to consider you for court-appointed counsel?
Yes, ma'am.
Some questions to ask you just to see if you qualify. First of all, what's your date of birth?
July 17th, 1973,
Okay, and what's your address?
612 Cottage Street, Ashland, Ohio, 44805.
And do you have a phone number?
No.
What's the last four of your social?
1508.
Okay. And does anybody else live with your address on Cottage Street?
No, ma'am.
Do you currently receive any benefits like Ohio Works First, TANF funds, SSI, SSD, Medicaid, food stamps?
Food stamps.
Okay. Are you currently employed?
No.
Do you have any bank accounts like a checking, savings, or money market account?
No.
Any stocks, bonds, or CDs?
No, ma'am.
Any other cash or liquid assets?
No, ma'am. Um, I'm not sure the liquid assets, what that would apply to. I own my property I live on.
Oh, liquid asset would be something you could sell to hire an attorney and something you could immediately sell. So if
Oh,
you mean real estate that you own?
yeah, I own the house I live in. I was going to see if I could put that up for my bonds.
Okay. Yeah, that wouldn't be considered a liquid assets. That's fine. Oh, let me get on my list here. You do qualify for court-appointed counsel. All right, the court's going to appoint Attorney Zach Miranda to represent you. We'll let him know he's been appointed and he'll be at the next hearing for you.
Okay, Zach Miranda.
Sir.
Okay.
We are going to address the matter of bond today. Attorney Reese, what is the state's position on bond?
The state's position is that Mr. Norris has a significant felony history. history of violence, domestic violence, history of theft. Some of the charges I can't tell whether it's alcohol or drug use. Um, so the state, at this point, entering someone else's home, the state is going to ask for a significant bond in this matter, going to ask for $100,000 bond.
Okay, thank you. Great. Mr. Norris, if there's something you would like to say regarding what the court should set for bond, you can, but you don't have to because you have the right to remain silent. So if you want to talk to your attorney first and have your attorney address the court, that's fine too. Is there anything you want to say today regarding what the court should set for bond?
Well, I've never been charged with a theft of any kind. I've had DUIs in the past. I've had domestic violence, like you said. Um, but the DUIs and the domestic violence is what led to the felonies, two felonies. But I've never been charged with a theft in my life.
Okay.
So I guess I'm hoping that my house would be enough to cover bonds.
Okay.
That is collateral.
Right. The court's going to set bond as follows. To be released, you'll have to post two bonds. The first is a personal recognizance bond. That's your written promise with the court to appear at all future hearings in the case. If you fail to appear, you can be charged with a separate felony offense for failing to appear. The second would be a surety bond, a bond secured by real estate or securities or the deposit of cash. It's going to be $100,000. The conditions are that you not leave the state of Ohio without obtaining written permission from the court, appear at all future hearings in the case, and keep the court informed of your current address and telephone number at all times. Follow and obey all laws of the state of Ohio and orders of the court. Do not use consumer possessed drugs or alcohol, and you'll be subject to random drug and alcohol testing. Cannot use any products containing THC while you're on bond. After you post bond, you need to report to the court's bailiffs. They'll get you enrolled in the court's drug testing and bond program. The court's going to order you have no contact, whether direct or indirect, with the alleged victims of the offense.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions about conditions of bond?
No, ma'am.
We're going to set another hearing shortly here. We're going to set this for 1:15 on Thursday. So it'll be Thursday, July 17th at 1:15 p.m. That'll be by video. If you bond out before then, come to the courthouse for that hearing. If you don't bond out, we'll have you by video, but I'll give you a chance to talk to your attorney privately before we get started. Okay. Do you have any questions on that?
Is there any way I could use my house, put my house up for bonds?
You can talk to your attorney about bond, and he should be able to assist you with that or address the court regarding bond in that manner. So if you want to talk to him, we can readdress that on Thursday. Or if you have questions about the real estate posting is an option for you, for your release from incarceration. So
It is.
Mhm.
Okay.
Any other questions, sir?
No, that's all I got today, ma'am.
Okay, we'll see you back Thursday at 1:15 then.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Anything else, Attorney Reese?
Nothing additional, Your Honor. Thank you.